This is a 2008 401 Hurricane. It's 32 feet long, it has 3 slide outs, and it only has 21,000 miles. There's leather captain's chairs in front, 20-inch RCA television, rear view monitor, in-dash CD, cassette, Sirius satellite ready radio. It's a leather sofa bed, convertible dinette, 2-door Norcold refrigerator freezer, it's an oven with 3 burners, microwave, double sink, and here's a private toilet, sink and vanity, corner shower with glass surround and a skylight, plenty of storage, also has a separate entrance into the bedroom. Plenty of dresser and closet space for storage, dressing mirrors, plenty of overhead storage.